Namaste friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you very easy and tasty snack Nacho Style Masala Papad, a super quick, crunchy and colorful snack with Indian twist. Take a papad, any of your choice, cut it into a triangle shape just like a nachos as you can see on the screen. Now roast the papad till it is crispy. You can roast it on a tawa or a microwave or even deep fry as your choice. Now arrange your papads. Top it with finely chopped onion on your roasted papad. Now add a deseeded tomatoes all over your toppings. Add finely grated carrots. Now add a raw mango pieces for that extra tanginess. Sprinkle some salt as per your taste. Now I am sprinkling red chili powder. I am using less here, but you can add more or reduce it to your taste as your preference. Now sprinkle some chatpata chat masala. For that extra crunchiness, add some seed over your toppings evenly. Here comes our coriander for the garnishing. Squeeze a lemon juice. Our Desi nachos are ready, perfect for the tea time or a party starter. Try it at home and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.